Yeah, there he is. Pretty good detail. Yeah, right there. I want to go explore the eye region right in there. It's just off the interstate, I-90. Also, while I'm here, I've got another giant, and that's on the same mountain range. There's that giant, and then just south of him is another. Wow. I'll have to get a different angle for this one, but it's there as well. Kind of a reptilian type of face. And there's all kinds of giants that are along this range here. Oh, that one's real good. Yeah, there it is. Another stone giant from the time of the flood. I'm gonna try and find its feet, see what its feet look like. It looks almost like he's holding something too right there, but can't really tell. Well, thanks for